back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you an easy natural face scrub that can be made at home with the stuff that you have. So all we need is aloe vera gel and rice flour. I've already scrubbed my face and washed it, and as you can see, it looks really smooth and it looks really fresh. Keep doing it every day for 7 days and you'll definitely see the results.
So you're going to take the aloe vera gel. First I'm going to cut the ends, and then I'm going to cut a small piece right here. Alright, so that's all we need. Now I'm just going to peel off the skin. So this is what we need.
I'm just gonna cut through the aloe vera gel, and this is just for your skin to absorb it. So I'm just gonna slice it up a little bit like that. That should be good enough. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some rice flour on top. So yeah, that should be good. So now you're gonna start scrubbing it. Just gonna start scrubbing like that. You can scrub it on top of your nose for your blackheads and everything. It's really good for your skin. You're definitely gonna see the results in 7 days. 7 days, I'm gonna say. You should make sure that you do this pretty much every day. You can skip the rice flour if you want to. When you're doing it every day, just do the aloe vera gel, but do the rice flour in 3 days or something. So just keep scrubbing. And as you all know, aloe vera gel is so beneficial for hair and skin. Everyone knows that. It's like a universal thing. So nothing is bad here. It's all good for your skin. Wait till it dries. So usually I leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it out. When you wash it out, make sure you scrub it and wash it out. Thank you for watching.